Chinese market, and I hope you have a great day. Today we make a dish. It's called Hong Shao Rou in Chinese, and the English name I think we call it sweet spicy pork, fried sweet spicy pork. The main ingredient we need is 1 pound pork leg. You can have any kind of pork with bone, without bones. If have some fat, it'd be good. And the other stuff we need the 2-star ice cream, 2-star anise, 1 piece of cinnamon, and 3 or 4 pieces of bay leaves, Sichuan peppercorn, and chili pepper, and some scallions, 4 pieces sliced pieces of ginger, and fine garlic, and 2 tablespoons rock sugar. If you don't have rock sugar, you can use any plain sugar to replace it. That's okay. If you really can't find any sugar in any house, you can use the camel sugar. They have some camel sugar you can buy. The camel sugar you can use it. Those are the main ingredients we need for this dish. Add half pot of water and turn on the flame to high, and boil the water. When water boiling, we add the meat to cook for later. When the water is boiling, we add the meat, the big chunk of meat into the boiling water. And cover it and cook a few minutes. We'll cook a few minutes, and we just go to turn off the stove and drain the water, and we'll use the cold tap water to wash this piece of pork. Here's the pork on the cutting board. Now we cut the washed cold down meat. I cut it up. We cut the meat this way. This meat will cut from the middle, and we cut with a big chunk. Not this big chunk. When the pot is hot, we add 2 tablespoons vegetable oil. And rinse the pot. And we add the sugar, the rocky sugar. You can add 2 tablespoons plain sugar. Any sugar is okay. If you don't have sugar, and but you have the caramel sauce, and then you don't need to do this step. You just ignore this part. we add the ginger into it. You see the kind of right now you see the sugar already become brown. Then right now you turn off the stove. Turn off the stove and fry the ginger, and also add garlic to it, and all those stuff into it. Fry it. Now you turn the stove back again, and medium flame, and add the pulp into it, the cut pulp into it. And later on the medium flame, slowly fry to make the fat in the pulp come out. If you don't have rocky sugar or plain sugar, you just fry all the herbs and stuff and with the meat. And then you add 2 tablespoons caramel sauce into it instead of the sugar we made. We slowly fry, and when most of the fat in the powder come out, and we add some salt to it. This is the salt we add probably I think a half teaspoon salt to it. If you feel salt is not enough, you can add a little more later. This is the soy sauce. We add 1 tablespoon soy sauce to it. If you have cooking wine, we add 1 teaspoon cooking wine to it. One cup of cold tap water. We add 1 cup of cold tap water to it, and cover the lid and to cook it till the meat become very tender and cooked. Now we check the meat. We step the meat. The meat can easily go through it. The meat is cooked. So this meat is pretty close. So it's cooked. So what do? We just turn the flame to the high flame to cook it. We just the high flame to cook it so let all the liquid. Most of the liquid will gone, and the sauce will be thick up, so we taste better. So we just keep ready the high flame ready to cook it. Okay, this the sauce already thick and most liquid. Water is gone, the sauce is thick up. Then we turn off the stove, and this dish is done. So the Chinese sweet spicy pork stew is done, and Chinese name is called 红烧肉. So the 红烧肉is done. Hope you like it.